Happy October, VB fam! I am here to give you a tour, a reveal of this month's designer collab with Papershire Stationery. I am a huge fan of Zenny's cute artwork, so grab your favorite coffee and let's get going.
Hello, this is Zenny from Papershire Stationery and I am October's guest designer. I chose coffee because I have a mild caffeine addiction and I'm sure a lot of you do too. So this kit was heavily inspired by a minimalist cafe shop aesthetic with tons of plants and tons of yummy cafe food. It wouldn't be a Papershire kit, it didn't have tons of food. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this month's kit.
Now that you met Zenny, we can dive into the kit. Isn't Zenny super? She's so cute. Thank you, Zenny, for doing your intro. I love your little accent. Zenny's from the UK, if you guys didn't know. So this is the kit. Comes in a box because of a special product. But let's go into the envelope with all of the contents. This is this month's What's in Your Kit card. Always, check the back of the card for the list of products and any notes that I put down so you know maybe something's up with one of the products. You'll be receiving a notepad, a foiled notepad in this month's kit. It has this cute cafe kind of scene right at the bottom that Zenny drew, and it has gold details. I love the plants. You guys know I love my plants. Next up, let's talk about the washi tape. 2 washi tapes for this month. One is the bigger one, the thicker one. Or actually, let's talk about the thinner one. The thinner one is like kind of an abstract spotted pattern with gold details. And then the thicker one is the latte art drawn by Zenny with her cute little artwork. Okay. Oh, I love these. I love how these turned out. These are enamel charms with teardrop paper clips, and I'll show you how I use them in my half-letter planner if I can find it. Okay, here it is. Yeah. I don't know. I just kind of put them everywhere. I just put them. I couldn't decide where I wanted to put them. So I'm gonna just, some people I've seen put them on the bottom, some people put them on the side, some people put them in pockets. I don't know. They're just so cute. I love just how they dangle on the bottom like that. Look at that. Isn't that darling? You can even like take them apart and then add it to that planner charm or make your own planner charm. So many different possibilities. You can even make it into like a keychain if you wanted to. Oh, that's my layout. I don't know. I can't decide which one I like best, the planner or the coffee. I like both of them, or else I wouldn't put them in a kit, I guess. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Yep. Let's move on. Before I move on, because I know I'm going to get asked this a lot, the planner that you just saw is from Notique. It is for the half letter, for a half letter planner. It's the like agenda cover. Okay, let's move on. You guys know about these transparent stickers and the clear journaling cards. They're cute. I love them. I think this one's my favorite. But did I already show the other one? Let's see. Oh, no, this one. I love this one. I think you saw this in my Insta stories. But I know I'm going to see a lot of you use that one. And then the stickers. Yeah, very functional. They're petite. You can use them in monthly. I like to use them in my weekly layout. When I want something just super simple. People have asked these for to have them in the shop all the time. So I'm working on it. There's a lot of stuff that I want to include in the shop all the time, but gosh, it's like there's not enough time. Page flags, page flags, page flags. We can never get enough page flags. I think this colorway is probably my favorite out of the ones that I've launched in previous kits. I'm just gonna show you all the ones. If you're not familiar with the past page flags from previous kits. A lot of people have asked for the ones with the pattern, so don't worry. They're coming in kits, next couple kits, coming. But yeah, so far a lot, and you guys love them, so I'll keep bringing them. This is a cute little pencil pouch, accessory pouch. Whatever you want to stuff inside with. It has Papershire's cute artwork. I just really wanted to feature her cute illustrations on a little pouch for you to take anywhere. It's a really good size. Of course, it fits your VB pens. You can stuff it with sticky notes, with page flags. It's really great to put in your planner bag or, your work bag. You can even use it for, like makeup. You can stuff it with makeup, actually. Just your necessities for your everyday on-the-go use. For me and my makeup bag, it is stuffed with lipsticks. Oh my gosh, I don't even know why. I just use like one lipstick, but there's like 7. Okay, it's a sticker book time. Yay, yay. My favorite product from the kits. Usually people think it's the pen, but for me, it's a sticker book. It really showcases the overall theme and style of the kit. When I collab with another shop, with another designer, I always like to make sure that the overall kit reflects them as well, but it also has touches of my style, my personality. So whenever I do one, I have this huge process that I always want to make sure that we're on the same page and that they like whatever I put out as well. It's so fun collaborating with someone who's creative and artistic as well to come up with something like an overall project, and then to see it come to life like this. It's really cool. It's such a blessing that I get to do what I love, and I get to share it with you, but I also get to share it with other designers as well. Also, having a designer collab every once in a while gives you, the customer, a different style that you get to look forward to. Who's ready for the pen reveal? This is Cafe Papershire VB pen. Kit pens are always named after the kit they are featured in. This was designed by Zenny herself. She wanted a nude pen with gold hardware and clear iridescent and pink crystals. I love it. I think it really complements the kit really well. And maybe there's a sneak peek at the end of this video, so make sure you watch all of it. One last product that I get to reveal. So this is the reason why we had to ship in a box this month, why shipping had to be increased. I'm really excited to show you. I've never done something like this before, and it was only fitting that I include a tumbler. Isn't it cute? It's pink and gold. Zenny did the artwork all around the cup. There's this off and on, open and close. You can close it so the liquids don't come out. But this is a tumbler that you can use for both hot and cold. As you can see, it's gold foiling. I do want to emphasize on something, and I wanted to be totally transparent with all of you. Oh, before I tell you about that, make sure to open the cup. There's a little piece of paper that shows you, don't put the cup in the microwave, all that fine little details. But I just wanted to share that when we did receive the cups, there was some manufacturing irregularities with the foiling and the printing, and unfortunately because of the time we couldn't have them reprinted, so I have included a sticky note as a consolation little gift for all of you because of this imperfection. But I really hope that you still enjoy the tumbler. It's super cute, and I do apologize for the manufacturing imperfection. Oh, I always forget about the paper. So this month we had another setback. The printers actually printed all the papers on cardstock instead of vellum. So you're gonna get 6 pieces of heavy cardstock instead of 4 plus 2 vellum. So no vellum for this month. I'm so sorry. But since you get the digitals, you can print your own vellum. I just wanted to kind of touch base, go back and talk about the tumbler again. I was so bummed when we opened the boxes and we found, little imperfections. They're just little things, not too big, but they are not up to, like my standards that I have for my products. So I just hope you guys still enjoy them. Every time I look at one, they make me smile. So I hope that brings you some joy as well. Here is a full kit. Thank you again, Zenny, for bringing your creativity to a VBKit. It's always a pleasure collaborating with all these creative and inspiring other shop owners out in the planner community. Don't forget, there are going to be some extras, so subscribe to the newsletter. But there's just one thing I need to show you. Who's ready for Cafe VB pens? Yay! Of course, new releases match the previous month's kit, and this is just a glance of what's to come on November 3rd. More details in a newsletter and a reveal video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll probably be back soon.